morning children. Welcome to your maths class. In previous class, we had started a new chapter, that is large numbers. Today, we are going to continue that, okay? Now, first, before continuing that, we will write everything in your notebook, okay? Everyone will write whatever is written on the board in your notebook, okay? You will not keep on asking, ma'am, ये notebook में लिखना है करके नहीं. If teacher is writing on the board, you have to write in your notebook, okay? Now, today, this is the third part, okay? Place value chart. So the first point you will write here is this. The chart. Or better write the place value chart. Do not write the chart. Just write the place value chart. The place value chart has been divided into different groups, okay? Different groups. And what are these groups called? P. Okay? So what has teacher written on the board? The place value chart has been divided into different groups called periods. Now, there are the B part, you will write the next one. There are how many periods? 4 periods. 4 periods. What will you write here? 1. The ones or the unit period. Second will be the 1000 period. With thousands. Third will be the lakhs period, and the fourth will be the crores period. Okay? So again, remember this. You have to remember this. Okay? Now you have to learn this. The place value chart has been divided into different groups. These groups are called periods. And there are 4 periods. You very well know. The ones or the unit period, the thousands period, the lakhs period, and the crores period. Okay? So here you have made table before also. Just make it again so that you don't forget it and you have a practice. 1, 2. There's only 3. We'll add one more. 4. The first is the ones period. Then the 1000 period. Then the lakhs period. Then the crores period. Here you have ones, tens, and hundreds. Here you have 1000, 10,000. And here you have lakh, 10 lakh. And you have crores. Done? Okay? So this everything is clear. This is clear to everyone. Now you know the difference between the ones group, the the thousand group, the lakhs group and the crore group. Now write this everything. I hope you have written this. I hope you have written this. Now we will learn the next part. Okay. So I am erasing this. Now the third part, sorry, the fourth part you will learn is writing the large numbers. Okay. How will you write the large numbers? The fourth part which you will learn today is writing the large numbers. Okay. Now here first what will you start? You will start making place value first. Okay. Now how will you write? Now suppose first question is write 64 lakhs 59,000 59,252. Now you have to write this in numbers. Okay. First what will you do? Remember your place value chart. You start first. This is your question. You have to write 64,59,252. Okay. You have to write this. First what will you do? You will first make the place value. So here is your answer. First the place value. You will start from the periods. Just remember this table. Always make this table. Now you will write it. You can write in shorts also. The units. Then the thousands. You know this is up to lakhs. So you will not write crores. So this is lakhs. Okay. You know here. We have ones, tens and hundred, thousands we have, thousands and 10,000, lakhs we have lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. This much it is written. Now what will you do? You will just make one box below. Okay. Now how will you represent the numbers? Now, you will start writing your numbers. The first is 64 lakhs. So, here 64. Okay. So, 64 lakhs 59,000. So, here 50 tens and 9,000. 59,000 is 252. 250 tens and 2 ones. So this is how you will write. Now here, you have written this number. Now you will let me know where will I put the commas. Okay, so where will I put your commas? After each period, yes or no? So So the first period is here. So here comma, then the second period. So how will you write this? Without this place value chart. See, 64 lakhs, comma, then 59,000, comma, then this 252. So this is how you will write. Okay, when you start putting commas. Okay, write down this first. Now, next we will write numbers using abacus. Okay, so I am going to erase this so we can study further. Okay. Okay, so you will start writing large numbers using abacus. Now I will give you just one number right here first, question number 2, because we have done earlier one question. So here let's see, this is the number 5, 6, 0. Okay, this is your number. You have to write this using abacus. Now what is an abacus? Here. Now here, what will you do? See, there are how many digits? See, if you see, this is one period, this is ones period, then this is thousands period, and this is lakhs period. Okay, so you are very much aware. So what will we do? We will make boxes. This is for ones period, then this is for thousand period, and you will add one more for lakhs period. Okay, and below that we will also make a place value chart so that we know the numbers. Okay, and now you know you have to draw spikes here. Now, what are the numbers? 5, 6, 0, 7, 1, 2. Okay. Now again, you start writing those ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. Now, if you want, you can make one more. We know the 10 lakhs. Okay, so you will add one more also. You leave that place empty. Okay. Now here 5. So what will you do? Make 5 circles. 6. Make 6 circles. 0. No circles. 7. Again you will make 7 circles. 1 circle and 2 circles. Okay. This is how you will represent the numbers on abacus. Okay. So now you have written this much. Now I will give you another question. Now you have learned the basics. After that we will write the numbers and figures as well as words. Okay. Now see, here question number 3. Okay. The question is, write the numbers given on spike in figures and words. Okay, so you have to write the numbers in figures and words. Okay, see in third the A. So this is your abacus. Lakhs, start copying it. The lakhs, then we have 1000, then we have 10,000 also, then we have 100, we have 10, and then we have 1. Okay. So let me write this. 0. Write the question. Here. Copy down the question first. Now, if you look here carefully, you can very well see. If you look here, you can very well see the lakh. Now see, first we will try reading these numbers. Okay, this is 10 lakhs. There's nothing. Then you see this is the lakh part. Here we have 2 lakhs. Then we have 3 tens, 30,000, 2 lakh, 30,000, 124. Okay. Now you have read this? Yes or no? So what will you write here? I'll write here. What is the number? Start writing on your own. Just write 2 lakhs 3. Now here. First you will write whatever you can see here. Okay. So here I will write answer. Now what can you see? You can see 2 lakhs. So you will write 2 lakhs. Then what you can see? 3. 10,000. Yes, there are 3. 10,000. Then what can you see? 100. Just write whatever you can see. So you can see 2 tens and 4 ones. Okay? Wait, if this is not visible, I will write so. And 4 ones. What I have done here, I have just jotted down in figures. 2 lakhs, 3 10,000, 100, 2 tens and 4 ones. These are in figures. Then what will you write in numbers? Straight away. No, I don't have place here. But I'll write here so that you can 2. What will be the number? 2 lakhs 30,124. This will be the number in figures. Yes? Yes. Then what will you write in words? You will write in words 2,30,124. Where will I write? Can I write here? This is the first part. This is the second part where you write in figures. Okay, then the words 2. 2 lakhs? Yes or no? Yes. It is 2,30,226. Okay. Sorry, 2,126. So similarly, can we do the next sum? Okay. So write down this first. Right here. I don't have place here. I'm going to write here. Okay. 30,000 here. Then I'll just write here because I don't have place. 126. Okay. 124. Okay. So write down first. I'm going to erase this so that we can solve one more question like this. Reading of abacus and solve it. Okay. Now, we'll write down the next question. This is third B. Okay. Third B. We have 10 lakhs, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10,000. Okay. So here we have just write down fast everyone. This is your question, okay? Now first, what will you do? You will write whatever you can see, okay? So what can you see here? 2 10 lakhs. So 2, there are 2, no? So 1 and 2. So 2 10 lakhs. Then you can see here 1. Yes. I'll put comma here. 1 lakh. Yes, there is only 1 lakh. Then you can see there are 2 10,000. Then we have 3,000. Yes, we have here 2 10,000. Then we have, okay, we have here 4,000. Okay, so here I will write 4,000. Then we do not have any hundreds. Then we have 3 tens. So what will we write? 3 tens. Then we do not have ones also. So what we have done here? What have you all done here? Whatever is there in the abacus, whatever we can see, we will write. We can see 2 10 lakhs. So we have written 2 10 lakhs. Then we can see 1 lakh. We have written here 1 lakh. Then how many 10,000s are there? 2. So 2 10,000. And then see in thousands, you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4,000. Then we have no 100. Then we will not write. Then if you look at tens, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 ones also we do not have. So you've written this. Then what will you do? You will straight away write the numbers. Okay. So therefore here, this is the first one. Then you will write number in figures. What is the number in figure? 2, 1, 2, 4, 0, 3 and 0. Yes, this is your number. Then again you will write number in words. Just put a semicolon, then start writing numbers. What will be the number? Yes, 21 lakh. 24,000. 3rd. Yes. Now what will you do here? You will put the commas, okay? You will put the commas here. Put the commas here in this number. How will you put commas in this number? Again, with the help of your periods. After every period, you will put comma. So the first period is this. So what will you do after 3? And again after 2. This is which period? This is ones period. Then this is thousands period and this is lakhs period. Okay? Write down first. I am going to erase this. I hope you have written this. I will give you one homework here. Yes, I can give you all homework. Here. This will be your homework. Copy down while I erase this. Okay. This is your homework. You copy down this while I erase this. This will be your homework for today. You will solve this on your own. What you have to do, you have to first write whatever you can see in the abacus. Then you have to write in words and then numbers. Put commas also. Okay? I hope you have written this. Now we will start with reading with numbers. Now I'll just read out. I'll just write down the numbers so that let's see how whether you can read or not. This is your homework. Just putting any random number. How will you read this number? First, what will you do? You will straight away put commas. After per period, you will put comma. After every period. So, you first period, once period, put one comma. Then the next period is of 2 digits. So, you put one comma. So, now you know this is the ones. Then this is the thousands. And then this one is the lakh. So, you know this is the 3,13,000. Why? See, this is the lakh period straight away. You know this is the lakh, so 3 lakhs. Then you look here, this is the 1000 period. This is the 1000 period straight away, 13,000, and this is the ones period or unit period. What will you do? You straight away read 456. Okay. So I hope you all will do your homework on your own. This is it for today. Okay. Thank you everyone.